Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get crying filter on Snapchat. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step you need to do is to open Play Store and update your Snapchat. You see that my Snapchat is up to date. Then you need to go back and open Snapchat. Once you open Snapchat, you simply need to click on the search icon in the top left and search here crying. So you can see that the second one, you can choose anyone according to your choice, but the second one is from Snapchat. Click on that and you can see that this filter, and you can use that filter to record your video. So by following these steps you can easily get snap crying filter on Snapchat. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.